Good morning, guys. It is Thursday, May 14th, and here's what we're doing in Social Studies today. You're going to watch the video and then complete the Google form when you're done. For today, I put the video in my virtual classroom, classroom number 3. So you're going to click over there, and then you will find the video. Let me show you where that is. So right here, I have the Google form, which will show you where the video is, and you can fill that out to say that you have watched the entire video. I also put some of today's agenda in my virtual classroom. So you're doing your summative today as the assignment, and then I linked the two articles that you're reading. So the background essay is linked here, and then the history document is linked here. They're also in the assignment, but they're here for you as well. Also in today's virtual classroom, we have yesterday's photo winner. So make sure that you take part in today's picture contest as your fun activity and see if you can make it into my virtual classroom tomorrow. Looking back at the agenda, you have your discussion today, which you're going to answer and then reply to at least 2 students. And then for the assignment, like I said, we're going to be working on our summative, and you're going to be completing the day 1 activities. Once you're done with day 1, you'll hand it in and then move into the picture contest. And then here's the link to classroom 3 to check all of that out, our discussion, and then here is what the summative looks like. So you will be exploring the fall of the Roman Republic through the sources in this inquiry. You'll need to read each source and answer the questions provided. While you read through each source, be thinking about a possible claim for day 3. So on day 3, you're going to be writing a CER paragraph. So as you're reading each of the sources, be thinking about how you might answer the question and think about what evidence you might need from those sources to support your claim. And that's what you're going to use the last column for, to use that column to list the evidence that you could use to support your claim. So in this column, you'll have direct evidence, so an actual quote that you might want to use as your direct quote in your CER paragraph, and then notes from the source, pieces of evidence that you can use to write in your own words to talk about your reasoning and other evidence in your CER paragraph. Because this is a summative, keep in mind this is an independent assignment, so you shouldn't be sharing it with anybody else, talking about it with any other student. This is a summative. And then you're only using the linked sources in this assignment. So you're going to be reading the background essay today, and then today you're using the history source. So that's it. You shouldn't be going on the internet and looking at other sources. If I see that, I'll have you redo the assignment. Day 2 and day 3 are on here as well. And in day 3, that's, like I said, where you're going to be writing the paragraph. So while you're reading through the background essay and the history source today, think about why did the Roman Republic fall, and then see what information the background essay and the history source has to support that. And that's what you would write in this column. Over here in the questions column, you're going to answer these questions in complete sentences. For the summary, where it says summarize the source in your own words, you don't have to say this source is about. Just get right into what the source is talking about. Okay, so when we've done main ideas in the past, that has been the format that we followed. So make sure that you are not starting these with this source is about or it said. You go right into the facts. Once you have read the background essay, answer the question about the history source, and then filled in the evidence here, you can go ahead and hand that in. If you have any questions, go ahead and email me and I will get back to you today. All right, have a great day. Bye.